Hey everybody, this is Ryan. Let's practice the intro to Going on a Bear Hunt. So quick recap, we are playing the 7th fret on the A string with our ring finger. The other fingers that are behind it are slightly muting the strings by lightly touching them. Then we use our first finger to play the 5th fret on the A string. And I'm on kind of the tip, kind of the pad. Also, my middle finger has gotten used to just jumping down to lightly touch the low E string here. Then we use our pinky to play the 8th fret on the low E string. All the fingers that are behind it are lightly touching them to mute it. And then we do our ring finger on the 7th fret to lightly touch the strings. We talked about why we don't play it this way, or at least why I wouldn't play it this way, is because you have to be more articulate. But you can add little hammer-ons and stuff like that. And I guess you could also do that here as well. But I like the way that the strummed version sounds. So we have just the quarter notes, and then we've got the triplet here. And I find that rather than readjusting, to do the downstroke, I just hold my hand up a little bit and then do the downstroke. So anyway, we're going to start at 40% speed and work our way up to 100%. So let's get going on a bear hunt. And we're going to an E minor if you want to practice that. You do like a slide like that if you wanted. Great job, everybody. Let's keep going. It's a really nice intro. To give yourself before you start the song. And the kids will recognize it too, if they've heard the song a lot. All right. Great job, everybody. So this was the intro, and now I'll see you for the verses.